Who will be the first human being to make a baby in space? We obviously don't know yet, but one thing is clear: making babies in space is coming closer and closer. Recently, a mini IVF laboratory has been launched aboard a SpaceX rocket. Within this laboratory, embryo processes are going to be studied. Why would we want that? And how does it work? In this video, we will break it all down. Let's dive right in. First things first, why on earth are we researching babies in space? You see, we have quite some challenges here on Earth. Think about nuclear tensions, climate change. Right before his death, Mr. Stephen Hawking himself already warned about the conditions here on Earth. He said we might only have a couple of centuries left before we mess things up for good. And that is exactly why we need a plan B, in the form of a new planet, for example. And therefore we also might need to make babies in space. I think it's pretty good that we already start researching this topic right now. You see, space is pretty dangerous for little embryos. Think about radiations or the absence of gravity. We better start researching these things right now. A Dutch company, and I'm so proud of my country, is leading the way. They launched a tiny, fully automated lab into orbit with a SpaceX rocket. You can see it as some sort of tiny IVF clinic. And the good news is that the lab survived the launch just fine. From orbit, it even sent back valuable data. So, first step completed. The next big step is planned for 2026. In 2026, SpaceBorn will send actual fertilized mouse embryos into space. And when everything is going really well, the same will be done with human cells. Has this already been done before? The answer is no. Quite similar studies in space have been done with other animals, like fish and frogs. But no one has ever studied the full reproductive cycle of a mammal in space before. And that is exactly why this research is pretty groundbreaking. Groundbreaking, but also controversial. You see, NASA and the ESA are watching carefully. They are interested, but also super cautious. Because yeah, ethics and stuff. I am super curious about the results from 2026. And maybe someday then real babies are being born in space. What do you think about this project? Is it groundbreaking or is it controversial? Let me know in the comments. If you liked this video, then maybe give me a little thumbs up and I'll see you next time.